Hey guys, Mike with Insightful Imagery here. I want to show you how I got a picture of this Las Vegas rose right here. And I'm going to show you how you can do it too in this quick 5-minute video. If you haven't done so though, first please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me continue to create content that is fun and informative, and I really appreciate the likes and subscribes that I have already and how the channel is growing. That being said, in this video I'm going to show you how I take pictures of flowers or things like flowers using this simple method. And you can use this method on lots of different subjects, whether it's flowers, wild mushrooms, you can use it on people. It's a really quick way to produce some separation in your image and create some drama. It's a real simple 3-step process. There's going to be some gear that I use in the video that you can buy if you want. You can go to my website, which here's a banner for it up here at the top, and just click on the menu tab that says gear that I use, and you'll see Amazon links to different pieces of gear that I use and make reference to. You can buy it if you want. If not, don't worry about it. But you will need a flash. You will need a tripod, and you will need perhaps a way to control the light spill or to control the flash. That's helpful. You don't need it, but it really helps keeping the light spill contained and letting the light just hit what you want shot, and not illuminating the scene around it. Let me go over really quickly a couple pieces of gear that I do have here. If you have, I'll use a flash like this in the video. This is an Evolve 200. You don't need this. It makes it really easy. I really like having this because it's super portable. I'll put it on a stand. I'll connect a Bowens mount adapter to it for speed lights. And all this does, this goes onto the light stand, and you click your modifier in there, whether it's this or a softbox or whatever you have. But the main thing is this is for a speed light. So you can slide your deal in there and tighten this down, and it holds it. And then you can run around and use this, like a light gun, and aim this wherever you want that you're shooting at, and it makes it really convenient. You don't need this. It's the Evolve 200 by Flashpoint. I really like it. It's Adorama. It's linked on my website. It comes with a wireless trigger. Or just go out and get you a speed light. It doesn't have to be the Canon speed light, but you do need a speed light. You need a flash. You can use third-party flashes if you want. Not a big deal. It doesn't matter as long as you can get a flash. If you find that you need any of these products, they're linked. They're on my website and linked in the description down below. They're really going to help you in creating some dramatic lighting, and you'll see that in this example here. And anyway, that being said, let's go out and let me show you this really quick video how to take some cool pictures of this Las Vegas rose. Hey guys, I'm out here in Berkeley at the Rose Garden, and I want to share with you another example of if you have a speed light, or some portable flash that you want to bring with you to do your flower photography. I want to show you a trick that you can use that looks really nice, especially when you have a really colorful subject. And what I'm going to do, basically in a nutshell, is I'm going to get an ambient meter reading of what the scene should be through the camera's viewfinder for exposure. Then I'm going to underexpose that by a stop, so I'll speed my shutter up, and then I'll light it with flash and take the picture, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay? It's really simple. It sounds like a lot, but it's really easy. You get a correct exposure, then you speed the shutter up so that you underexpose it by a stop or two, depending on what you like, and then you light the subject with the flash. It's really easy. Let's get going. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of this rose, and I sprayed a little water on it. And this rose is, what kind of rose is this? It's in between two markers, so I don't really know, but it's pretty. That's the kind of rose it is. It's a pretty rose. So anyway, all I'm going to do is I'm going to look through my camera's viewfinder, gonna get an exposure based off the camera's metering system. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the picture using the camera's metering system to get the exposure. And that's gonna be this first image, and I'll put it up on the screen here right now. Image 1433. Okay, we've got a properly exposed image according to the camera using the camera's metering system. And what that calls for is, let's see, we've got 1/8 of a second, f10, and ISO 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed that up now from 1/8. I'm going to go up here to my shutter speed because that controls the ambient, and I want to underexpose it. So let's go from 1/8 to 1/15. Okay, we're just going to about double the shutter speed, and that's going to let less light in. And I'm going to take a picture of that, and I'm going to put that up on the screen and show you that all we've done is just sped the shutter up and made the picture underexposed. Okay, and we'll put that up on the screen right now. Okay, that's image 1434, and you can see how now the image is underexposed. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave the camera totally alone. I'm going to turn my flash on. You don't need this flash. You can use a speed light, but you do need a flash. You can use a third party, it doesn't matter. I've got this on my website if you're interested in this flash. It's a great one. You can buy it through Amazon. And now what I'm going to do is, camera settings are exactly the same. I'm going to turn my flash on. Okay, I'm going to get over here, and I'm going to light this from the side. Okay, bring that up on the screen, 1435. Now you can see with this image here how awesome it looks. Now you'll have to play with the distance you are from your subject with the flash to get the right look that you want, but that's it. So you just get an ambient, you get a regular exposure through your camera's metering system. You take that shutter speed, you double it, making it faster, then you light it with the flash. Really easy. You got a really pretty picture here with some gorgeous water drops.